Do you want bigger, sweeter, healthier tomatoes without spending a fortune? Here's a secret supplement hiding in your kitchen that could completely transform your tomato plants. Most people rely on pricey store-bought fertilizers, but some of the best solutions are surprisingly simple, made with natural ingredients you already have at home. If your tomato plants have stopped growing, their leaves are looking pale, or flowers are dropping off, it's time for this powerful homemade boost. This easy DIY supplement is a total game changer. Let's dive in. But first, if you love natural gardening hacks, please like this video to support our channel and subscribe so you never miss a tip that could save your plants. All right, let's get into it. Here are 2 garden secrets that tomatoes absolutely love. First up, milk. Yes, plain milk. It's packed with calcium, protein, and beneficial microbes that strengthen your plants and fight off diseases like downy mildew. Next, chamomile. You know it soothes us, but it also soothes your soil. Chamomile has natural antibacterial and antifungal powers that protect roots and boost plant immunity. Here's how to make this simple yet powerful tomato supplement. Add 200 milliliters of whole milk to 1 liter of water. Next, toss in a handful of dried chamomile or 1 chamomile tea bag that you've boiled and let cool. Finally, mix it well and pour it directly into the soil around your tomato plants, not on the leaves. And here is a little bonus tip. Bury the leftover chamomile or tea bag in a shallow hole near the stem. As it breaks down, it nourishes the roots from within. Use this mix every 10 days and watch your tomatoes thrive with greener leaves, stronger growth, and tastier fruit. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow gardeners, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural gardening recipes and tips. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on just 1 drop, and rodents, snails, ants, mosquitoes, cats will disappear instantly from your garden. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.